Hello, fellow chartists. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am the Chartist, and welcome to 2022. We started the year bullish with some bullish price action today. The reason why I say it's bullish price action is because the SPY has closed back above the 5-day moving average. So officially, we are trading above all moving averages. Okay, still got this resistant line here. This white line, as you can see, started from the November 5th, connecting the next high that was also in November 22nd. So I'd like to see SPY, before getting bearish or trying to take short position, I'd like to see SPY hit that resistant level, okay? So for tomorrow, to hit that resistant level, SPY will have to go as high as 481.8, okay? Now, I am still bullish on SPY. I made a video last week. I talked about how the bulls were exhausted. And it doesn't mean it has to be a pullback, but it does mean there has to be some basing involved. Basing could mean bull flags, some wedges, or sideways price actions. Okay, as you can see, this is kind of like a flag, kind of. All right, it traded within this range. Now, if we look here at the blue lines, we check a 4-hour time frame, just a little smaller. You can see it started from the high of December 16. And it broke that high on December 27th. All right, we got a double top here, and we bounced off that support level twice. That previous high that was back in December 16. So it's been trading in the range. This is what basing looked like, guys, if you're wondering. All right. So today, SPY. So what we want to see is a breakout of that range. All right, that will be up here at 478.8. That's the high. If it broke down, the low would be down to 474.4. Okay, that's our support level. All right, I add my support levels every morning on SPY and other ETFs. Okay, so 474 to 474.5. That was a strong support level for the SPY. Okay, I had other support. I write that as weak. This 470.5 to 471.5 is a must hold. Okay, the reason why I say it's a must hold, now for everyone that's trying to be bearish on the SPY right now, take a look at the weekly chart. Okay, you take a look at the weekly chart. I'm gonna move this. Sorry guys, bear with me. All right, now I shared this on a post on New Year's Eve on why I am still bullish on the SPY. Here's the reason. You look on the weekly chart, we are in breakout mode still. That means we had a breakout from this blue line right here. That was a high back in November 1st. We had some false breakouts a few times, but we finally broke out above that level last week, just in time for the Santa Claus rally. Santa Claus rally is the last 4 days of the year, and the first 2 days two trading days at the beginning of the next year. So tomorrow is the last day. But you look at this chart and you can see nothing bearish about it. And I said that I would turn bearish if it closes below that blue line, which is around 470.6. Yep, 470.6. Below that, if it closes below that, I will turn bearish, because then it will be equal to a false breakout. Okay, false breakouts are very bearish. Okay, so go back to the daily chart. That's why I'm still bullish. There's nothing bearish about this chart, guys. It's trading above all moving averages. The weekly, the bigger picture, is still in breakout mode. Okay, I can't see why anyone would think we're bearish right now. Okay, of course, 474 bounce over our support. So if you bought at the support, Discord members, if you bought at support, hopefully you did. I should be up right now, but you know, I do my best to try to post the analysis in real time, and you know, I think that could be beneficial, you know, in my Discord, of course. But anyways, we take a look at the VIX, and of course the VIX, it has 6 minutes left in the trading, but it's showing us a new low. It's continuing to go down lower, another leg down. Okay, so a bearish VIX is a bullish SPY. Plain and simple. Triple Q, you can see this white line right here. That's the bull flag. It was bull flagging as well. Also recaptured the 4-1 resistant level. That's this orange line right here. It was a very critical level. All right. And it's back trading above all moving averages, including the 5-day. So for triple Q, what I like to see tomorrow is a breakout of this bull flag, which I will be looking to buy. Okay, the breakout level is at fall 2.5. So above fall 2.5, triple Q is breaking out from that bull flag. And if it does break out, fall 2.5 is a level that must hold. Okay, if it closes within fall 2.5, then it did not break out. Okay, because we're using the daily chart. Where it closes is most important. If it does close tomorrow above fall 2.5, but then the next day it closes back in the bull flag, that's a false breakout. Okay, but as of right now, I am bullish on triple Q, seeing a lot of bullish price action, recaptures of critical support now, and trading above all the moving averages. So just waiting on that breakout of this bull flag. We got a big juicy move to the upside, 408, and all the way up here, 422. All right, big move to the upside. Dow Jones, as you can see, it came down and tested that Fibonacci level right here at 362.6. It hit it and it came all the way back. All right, up high, making a new high. It's closing at a new high. Okay, it had an intraday high on this candle at 366.7, but it didn't close. Today it closed at a new all-time high. Okay, so 368 price target is still in play, and I'm like SPY. I'm not seeing anything bearish about this chart. Okay, so keep watching the support level 362.6. Got a minor support here at 364.5. So watch those levels carefully. And then the breakout level here at 361.5. As long as it holds, 368.8 is in play, and then 372, which would hit this white resistant line right here. IWM, we are making some progress. It hit the 50-day moving average, okay, all the way up there at 226.7. And then it got a nice sharp selling. We faced some selling pressure there, but that's okay because we are starting to break out from this trading range. It was basing, just moving sideways right here. And now we got this nice big green candle right here today. And it closed above the 200-day moving average. Okay, we were struggling to stay above that 200-day moving average. That's this purple line. We finally got to close above it. So we want to see some follow through tomorrow. We want to see that 200-day moving average continue to hold. It's currently at 223.9. So we want to see it continue to hold, and maybe we can break the 50-day moving averages at 226.7. Okay, and after that, the next price target or resistant level will be at 231.7. All right, Tesla, holy moly, Tesla, very greenest day. I've been telling you guys for a while. If we get that breakout out of this bull flag, I'm definitely buying. However, it was a bit tricky because it didn't actually just break the bull flag regularly. It freaking gapped up, right? It gapped up. Look at that. Gapped up by a lot. Now, you always got to think, do I catch FOMO or do I not catch FOMO? If you caught FOMO today, you made money. Now, keep in mind, that's not very good practice. Okay, catching FOMO is not very good practice. You can get lucky once in a while, and then you make some money. But if you keep it up, it's not a very consistent, profitable thing to do, because the next time you catch FOMO like this, it might not work out for you. Then you give all your gains back. Okay, but enough with the negative talk. Okay, so it gapped up. It opened at what did it open at? 1147. All right, way above the 5-day moving average. Definitely way out from this bull flag. Okay, so using the Fibonacci level, in this case, we had to, like always, identify where the support and the resistant levels were. So it opened at 1147. So there was resistant level based on the Fibonacci at 1167. Okay, so there, when it gets to that level, what you want to do is you watch for a rejection or a breakout. Okay, obviously here, as you can see, we got the breakout. And then when you get the breakout, you want to see some type of consolidation, or, like I like to say, basing at that level before it breaks out to go even higher. So if you was to check a 30-minute time frame, for example, right? Check 30-minute time frame, and you see how right here around 10:30 it hit that Fibonacci level around of 1167. Then you see it basing. This is what I mean by basing, when it just goes sideways. All right. If we were to see a strong rejection like this one, for example, it hit 1167 and boom, strong rejection. Okay, that's bearish. Okay, but when you see something like this where it hits it, but then not a strong rejection, it just starts basing and chopping sideways. That's usually a sign that it's just building strength for an up move. And around 12:30, that's when that big up move came about, and it just continued to go upwards, and it closed at 1200. All right, so basically for tomorrow, we want to see 1167 continue to hold. We have a 1243 price target. That is the next Fibonacci level. Okay, so we might, we might want to see some basing or some, maybe a small pullback. Not guaranteed that'll happen. Keep in mind, it's trading above the upper Bollinger Band. It's pretty overextended. Okay, so we want to see basing. As long as it's above 1167, 1243 is in play. All right, so that's what I have for you guys today. I hope this price action technical analysis was able to help, and I'll see you all soon.